Oh wow. It's a French ThyssenKrupp. That's been modernized. It's 2009. Let's get a cap view first before we go down. Yeah, this is another French ThyssenKrupp I managed to find in Norway. Style button. Select the main floor. Ooh, slightly bouncy. Send this one up and get the other one. And this one's coming down. Basically the same like the other one. Still quite interesting though, even though it's been modernized. AK surface. Ooh, slightly bouncy as well. Oh, let's stop at 6 and end the video up there. So yeah, nice focus buttons. Focus. Huh. Watch button goes out. Alright, let's get off here. One more cap view before we end the video. Yeah, basically the same like the other one. Oh, that one has a dented ceiling. Yeah, basically the same like the other one, except that the COP is on the other way around, and MRL, obviously. It was still maintained by ThyssenKrupp though. Huh. It has the Schindler logo, so this means these used to be maintained by Schindler, but now ThyssenKrupp is maintaining these elevators. Yeah, that's it.